In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change free kick taker in EFC 26. So in the practice arena, you can go in and practice free kicks, which is always nice, but once again, there is a strange limitation. When you load in, you might notice that the free kick taker isn't who you want. For example, I'm using Barcelona and by default, it keeps making Kayunde the free kick taker instead of Yamal. Here's how you can actually change that. Back out of the practice arena completely, then go up to settings and select team sheets. Before you go there, make sure to go to profile, then profile manager, and make sure you have selected your favorite team because practice arena always uses your favorite team by default. Now once you are in the team sheet, here's the strange part. The game assigns the free kick taker in the practice arena based on the right back position. So what you need to do is move Yamal into the right back spot temporarily. After doing that, save your changes and head back into the practice arena. When you go to take a free kick this time, you'll notice that Yamal is now the one standing over the ball instead of Kayunde. Yeah, it's still broken like last year. No idea why it works this way. But at least now if you want Yamal as your free kick taker, just place him at right back in the Barcelona team sheet before entering the practice arena. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.